What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel, NSWTV, New South Wales Transport Videos. I am here at Richmond Vale Railway Museum, and I'm going to be filming this. Marjorie will be doing shuttles today. This is her name, Marjorie. This steam loco will be doing shuttles from this platform down to Melbourne Road and back, so I'll be filming those. And yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
Are you on the tail this morning, or are you on the tail this morning?
Also, I won't be talking for the rest of this video. This one is called Allison. We've got Allison here, we've got Marjorie down there, and over in the engine shed is Kathleen.